Hey guys, today I am going to show you how you can remove anything from photo in Photoshop. So just let's get started. Just open this pic in Photoshop. Actually I have dropped a link of this file in the description of this video so that you can download and practice at its own. So just go to description and download the file. Now after just open it in Photoshop, and you have to know only two things for this. Firstly just pen tool, and second one clone a stamp tool to use, and you will good to go for this tutorials. And first step we will do, just select the area which we have to remove. We will not actually go for precise, just using the pen tool, just draw the outline between the subject and the removable area. So just click and drag and adjust the handle to increase or decrease the roundness of the curve, and to adjust the point hold Control key and click and drag, and to change the direction just hold Option key and click on handle and change the direction, it will change. And again click and drag, again just click and drag and proceed like this. Just hold the Option to change the direction and click and drag the handles on the pen. My mouse have a problem. Just after 4 or 5 click, it just by default go to rotation. After this just join the 2 points just outside the subject, and just right click and now just right click and click on make selection, and here you can select with the radius of 2 will work fine here, and click OK. And now so just select clone a stamp tool and hold Option key to select the sample from any area similar to, and just paint it. It will remove like this, and just sample and paint. Just sample and paint. For sampling hold the Option key, and I think it's done not perfect way, but and I think little bit fringing at the edge. You can see here this is before and after. You can say this is before and after, and you cannot actually distinguish the errors at this level of zoom. So I think a little bit fringes at the edge. So for that just grab the brush tool and sample the side by color and paint. You can use hardness 0 and float 20% about. So just paint little bit, it will do the perfect job, and I think it's done. And let's see in the full screen before and after. This is after, and this is before, this is before, and this is after. I think we have done the pretty good job here. So guys, and thank you for sticking with me, and thank you for watching. See you in the next, and feel free to subscribe to this channel for more awesome coming tutorials like this, and thank you.